In this video, we're going to look at the differences between our One2Clean and One2Clean Xtra sewage treatment plants. Both systems use the same core technology and deliver excellent treatment performance, but there are a few key differences between the two systems that you should know about to ensure you choose the right system for your home. Our One2Clean system is our standard system, which is perfect for residential properties. It uses very little energy, has no moving parts inside the tank, and provides excellent treatment performance even in areas affected by nutrient neutrality. If you want a system that's cost effective, reliable and low maintenance, then the One2Clean system is ideal for homeowners. Now let's look at the One2Clean Xtra and see what it offers compared to our standard system. There are two main upgrades, the first being safer desludging. With the One2Clean Xtra, it comes with an internal desludging pipe, which is optional for domestic systems and comes as standard for larger ones. This means that when it comes to desludging your system, it reduces the risk of dislodging any components inside the tank, therefore reducing the risk of damage and making maintenance easier and cleaner. The next upgrade is the advanced control panel. The One2Clean Xtra system comes with an upgraded control panel that allows you to add additional dosing packages. These additional dosing packages allows the system to achieve an even better treatment performance, which is perfect for those areas that require the strictest of effluent quality results. So whilst the core technology between the two systems is exactly the same, the One2Clean Xtra gives you more control, greater peace of mind and a cleaner desludging process. Here's the simplest way to think about it. You want to choose the One2Clean system if you want a reliable domestic treatment plant with low running costs, or you'll want to choose the One2Clean Xtra if you want the exact same technology as the One2Clean, but it gives you the extra desludging pipe and the more advanced control panel. If you're still unsure about which sewage treatment plant is best for you, then head over to our sewage treatment plant configurator. That'll run you through the process of choosing the right system with the right size, the right lid and the right discharge to allow you to choose the best system for your home.